Once you get onto your mat, come down into child's pose and take a deep breath. Stretch through your arms and your back. Then bring your shoulders forwards, tuck your toes under and lift the hips up into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and out as you walk on the spot. Then round forwards, inhale. Exhale, bring your knees almost to the ground. Inhale, lift your hips. And exhale, bring your heels towards the ground. Inhale, round forwards. Exhale, knees almost to the ground. Lift your hips up high. And inhale, then exhale, heels down. Then you can step to the front of your mat, roll your spine, reach up to the sky. Bring your hands down into Namaste.